guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy right now. The sky is literally clearing up the moment I started filming. It's been like pretty cloudy today, which I hate, but we're finally getting like better weather. Hopefully it's gonna stick around. Anyways, for today's video, I wanted to do just like a vlog. We're supposed to go to the mall shortly. My sister's getting her hair done right now, and then we're supposed to go to the mall and look for a graduation dress for her. And I actually needed to get a new phone because if you've been watching my other videos, you know that mine is shit. It literally, the camera doesn't work properly. I can't call people on my phone without my AirPods, otherwise they can't hear me, which is really weird because I can still record video with the sound. I don't know. And also it's just like an older phone. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, and like honestly, until I kept dropping it, it was working pretty well. But you know, I just kind of messed it up, so I need to go get another one. Especially because I'm always filming stuff on my phone because of my whole social media stuff. It's just like with the camera not working, it doesn't focus properly, and I can't really take pictures and record stuff, so it just makes it really difficult for me, and I'm like, I need a new phone. I can't stand it anymore. Hopefully I can get it. I've been trying for the last week and a half. It's been extremely difficult for some reason. Like, I wanted to make payments on it instead of buying it in full because since I'm out of work right now because of my shoulder, I'm not like, I don't want to just spend so much right now without working and being able to like pay it all off right away, if that makes sense. Like, I have the money for it, but I don't want to spend it all on it right now since I'm not working, if that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, so it wouldn't like let me do that for some reason. I've been trying for almost 2 weeks, so we're gonna go into the store today. Hopefully they'll let me buy it today. If not, I'll update you guys later, but I'm getting really annoyed with this, so we'll see. I hate Apple. I like love their products, they work amazingly, but the hassle of going through everything and oh, my mom texted me, the hassle of like buying it and then all the iCloud storage and just everything, it's so annoying. Anyways, I'm gonna try not to get annoyed because I have to get ready. We're leaving soon. My mom just texted me if I'm ready to go, which I'm clearly not. I'm still wearing pajamas, so I need to get dressed and do my hair, but my makeup's done, so it's fine. I feel like I'm such a mess today. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me today and do a little vlogging. It's Sunday, so it's chill. It's literally 3 o'clock, almost 4. I've done nothing. I need to edit a video later, so we're just gonna go along with it. I need to find something to wear. I honestly want to just be cozy because I'm on my period, so like I feel bleh. So I want to look cute, but I also want to be cozy and feel comfortable. I don't want to wear anything I like because I don't want to ruin it, but I also want to look cute, so I don't know. Okay, my mom texted me that they're on their way back right now, so I have to kind of hurry. I literally have no idea what to wear. I got so many new things recently, but I just don't know. I have this cute little like green cropped sweater. I have this like oversized jacket. I also have like this little t-shirt from Maritza I wanted to wear, but I just don't know. And then I'm like, I kind of just want to wear a hoodie. This one is from Blue Mountain, so I have no idea. Alright guys, so I kind of didn't want to wear this jacket yet, but I decided that this is gonna be the outfit. So I'm just wearing my Levi's jeans. I have this little white crop top from Garage and it's open in the back. This jacket is from H&M, so cute. And then I'm wearing my little Prada bag, and I'm gonna wear my high top Air Forces with this. So cute. So it is literally the next day. I realized I didn't get to film much yesterday just because we were kind of in a rush, and also my phone was dying and I vlog on my phone. It was just a huge like mess yesterday, so I feel like I didn't get to vlog a lot, but I'm just gonna continue the vlog today. But I got the phone. I'm so excited. So I ended up getting the 13 Pro Max in silver. I personally think it looks white, so I called it white and they kept calling it silver. But anyways, so I just got this phone, and then I got a phone case. I picked this up earlier today actually, but I wanted to grab the case before I actually opened it. I also need a screen protector, which I didn't get yet. I probably should have bought one when I picked this up this morning, but that is okay. I also want to do just like a quick little haul for you guys of what I got yesterday. So I got these little hoop earrings, these little gold hoops, literally 15 bucks from a store called Honey. So I was pretty happy about that. I've been looking for earrings like this for quite a while, and I was gonna order some off Princess Polly, but I literally just placed an order through there and I forgot to add the earrings to it. So I was like, I don't want to place another order, plus I would have to wait quite a while. So I found these yesterday, and I just picked them up because I thought they were really cute. I also picked up something for my boyfriend because his birthday is on Friday, so I got him this really nice Nike vest. We were looking at it in the store together and he didn't end up buying it for himself because it's kind of expensive, so I decided to treat him for his birthday. And I also want to show you guys these really cute pants I got from Hollister. So these are cargo pants actually, and they're just like a little cream color. I can't like lift this on, but I'll show you guys this way. So there's little pockets on the side and then right in here. I got these in a size 0. I might exchange them for like a 00, but we'll see. But yeah, they're so super cute. I can't wait to make spring outfits with this. I'm so excited. Yeah, I've had my phone like overnight and I didn't set it up yet because I wanted to film an unboxing on YouTube. So I'm gonna go film that really quick and switch over my phones, and then I will show you guys. I'm so excited. Sorry if you can hear bells ringing. I literally live right beside a school. My window's open. But yeah, I just feel like this vlog is so chaotic and hectic, and it's just me going back and forth doing a bunch of things, and it's like changing days. So I have a very hectic day. I'm gonna finish this vlog today, but I have a very hectic day today. Basically I'm filming on my new iPhone 13. I just changed it over yesterday. I was filming with my iPhone 8 Plus before, so if the quality seems better, let me know because I hope it does. So I'm filming with that right now, and I literally had a whole list of things to do yesterday. I'm going to show you. So I had this whole list of things to do. Did I do one single thing? No, I didn't. Well, I did one thing. I set up the phone, but I had that whole list out of 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10 things to do, I did 1. You know why? Because this damn phone took 4 hours to transfer from my old, transfer my stuff from my old phone to this one. It took 4 hours. So I couldn't use my phone at all, which means I couldn't make TikToks or Instagrams or do anything like that. So it took up my whole day. Oh, and I spent another 2 hours on top of it trying to like clear up my phone because there wasn't enough storage on this phone to transfer all the other stuff from that phone to this phone, even though it has the same amount of gigabytes, which makes no sense to me. But anyways, I did it. It's done. So now basically I have double the work to do today. I did a few things already, so I'm gonna check off what I already did. Okay, so I made my TikToks. I posted on Instagram and I posted a reel on Instagram, so go check it out. Link down below. Here's my name. Okay, I also really need to make my thumbnail because I have a video going up in, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock now. I have a video going up in 4 hours on YouTube and I haven't uploaded it yet. Like, it's uploaded, but I didn't make the thumbnail yet or like the description and everything because this freaking phone. Yeah, I was supposed to do all of that tomorrow and I didn't get to. So I'm gonna do it now really quick. I'm gonna just like, you guys can watch while I like make my thumbnail. Also, I'm really mad. I don't know if you can see it. I took a chunk out of my nail. Hello? You literally can't see it, but I had to like fix it. I put like a top coat over it, but I took a chunk out of my nail yesterday. So, very happy. My bad. I've had it for less than a week, so I was pretty mad. But anyways, it's okay. I need to edit this thumbnail, so we're gonna do that now. Alright guys, so I finished making the thumbnail. I uploaded the video. Sorry, I'm just crunching my Invisalign. I uploaded the video, so it's all set to go. I'm very excited. If you didn't watch it, I'm gonna link it right here. I don't know which side it's on, for you guys to go watch it. But yeah, I'm very proud of myself actually. I got a lot done today, but I literally forgot that I have another video. I'm literally filming like 3 videos at once for some reason. I have to finish that as well. So I pretty much finished everything on the list, but I just stopped to take a little lunch break because I never do that. I literally always forget to like eat food, and then it's 3 p.m. and I'm like, I literally had like nothing today. So I'm just breaking right now for lunch. I made myself a little grilled cheese with some pickles because I love pickles. And I have some iced tea, and I'm watching some How to Get Away with Murder. I just started it and it's a pretty good show so far, even though I resisted watching it for so long, but then I ran out of things to watch. I'm like, you know what, let me just give it a try, and I like it. So
martini twist lemon.
You're not having one?
I'll have one with dinner. Yeah.
okay, so I'm officially done. I finished almost everything on my list. So far, or lastly, I just need to post stuff on my Depop and then work on this little like course thing that I've been doing. So yeah, I just finished filming my other YouTube video, which is unboxing my new iPhone. I'm a little setup there. So just finished filming that. That's my old phone. And yeah, I think I need to go get the mail. So I think I'm gonna try to take Callie for a walk. She hasn't been wanting to walk lately because she's a little bit sad. She's a sad doggy. Because say hi. She's licking her foot. Hi. So cute. She's a little bit sad because she doesn't have her best friend around. And yeah, so she hasn't been wanting to walk lately, I think because she's used to walking with Ellie. So we're all sad. But it's a really nice day, right? Right? It's a nice day, and I need to get the mail and pick up my little sister from school. So I think I'm gonna at least try to take her with me. Normally she just stands there and I have to kind of pull her along, but we'll try. If she doesn't want to walk, I'll bring her back home. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So it was like really chaotic. I don't know what the heck this vlog was on, but let me know if you like it, or if not, I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and like, comment, and subscribe.